Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lauren, and today I am going to be trying to follow a makeup tutorial by TATI. So this has been trending for a while now, I think a couple weeks I would say, and so I decided to hop on the bandwagon and make my own video. This has been a trend for a while now, and pretty much what happens is a YouTuber follows another YouTuber's makeup tutorial, specifically a beauty guru. So I decided to follow a makeup tutorial by my favorite beauty guru, TATI. I love her videos so much, and I'm gonna do my best to follow one of her tutorials. I do not have all the products she uses in this video, but I'm just gonna, do the best with what I have. So without further ado, I'm just gonna get right into it. Also, I'll be sure to include her video in the corner or something so you guys can see. And I will also link it down below in case you want to look at it for yourself. Okay, before I get started, I did want to mention one thing though that I find really interesting. I don't know if everyone is like this, but I love watching beauty gurus' YouTube videos, but I never actually follow the tutorials. I just like to watch them. Does everyone do that? I don't know. I've never followed a beauty guru's tutorial before. So this will be first. Yeah, so I'm just gonna get right into it. Okay.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We're gonna get glam in a hurry because I'm having the kind of day where I just do not feel like fussing around with 10,000 steps and 10,000 products.
Me every day.
If you ever take
Also, this is, I think she said that this is like a 10-minute glam or something, so it should be short.
With some primer.
Okay.
Monostat. A lot of you guys have been tweeting me.
I never use primer, ever. But I do own two primers. She uses Monostat, which she says is really good for full glam. I do not have that, and I'm not quite sure how I feel even if I did to put that on my face, because I do have quite a bit of breakouts. It does not look pretty right now. I'm sorry about that, y'all. I'm about to start my period, so one heck of a blot. And it's supposed to help with oiliness and pores and stuff, so I think I'm gonna go with this one because I think Monostat as a primer, I think it's really kind of that silicone-y feeling, and it's supposed to mattify and help pores and stuff. I don't know, we'll see what TATI has to say.
Me recently, and I went and repurchased this just for this video actually, because I used to use this back in the day, and then there was conversation about, wait, who puts Monostat on their face? Who's doing that? Why would I do that? Oh my gosh, that's gross. This is a celebrity makeup artist's secret, and a lot of celebrities that you might see on the red carpet, they're maybe using this on their face. This has a dimethicone powder finish. It is excellent at filling in pores, lines,
it's that silicone-y feeling.
To glide right on. I had forgotten about it for a while because I've been using Tarte and nothing else.
Basically, she's just putting this on her face. How much do you put?
Kind
I
of
don't know.
stirred up the conversation again, so thank you, because I like this. Moving on from there,
oh, hold on. Okay, I don't know how much to put on. I have this much. I already have moisturizer and stuff on, so I'm just gonna kind of put this all over my face, I'm assuming. So, what you do with primer. Does she put it on, do you put it on your eyes? I don't know. I don't have a eye makeup primer, so.
Little bit of Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I'm also taking a sponge from LA Girl. This is a pretty gosh darn good sponge. I like this. It has a nice edge right here that you can work in powders underneath the eye, and I have been enjoying it. So we're keeping things as affordable as possible, and that is the goal. Not to spend too much money on the face.
Okay, so she's putting on a Wet n Wild foundation right now, which I do not have, but I do have a Milani Conceal and Perfect foundation, which I have seen her use in other videos, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one. I don't know, that might be too much. Is that too much? I don't know. TATI, help! I forgot to mention, I'm not a beauty guru, I'm not a professional, not that shouldn't have to be said, I'm obviously not, but whatever, I don't know. Okay, we're going in. Also, this might not be my shade. I got this a while ago, so if it's not, don't come for me.
For time. So I'm just going to blend this in. All right, hopping straight into concealer.
Hold up, honey. Okay, gotta finish this first. Does she do it on her eyes? I don't think she did. Oops.
This is the Maybelline Age Rewind, and this is the neutralizer. It has a nice yellow tone to it. I'm just going underneath the eye, same sponge,
Okay, okay, hold up. She goes so fast. Okay. I actually have that concealer. I haven't used this in a while. I used to use this all the time, but I found that it like kind of irritates my skin. I don't know if it has fragrance or something in it, but I don't know, but I'll use it. I'm literally gonna take this makeup off right after this video anyways, so I think she just kind of like drew some underneath her eye. That was a bit much. Oh shoot, I think she's gonna bake after this. I've never baked before. Somebody's done it for me, and I'm not quite sure how I felt about it. It was kind of weird just because, like I said, I'm not really used to full coverage makeup, so not quite sure how I felt about it. What next?
I do like to take some of the excess that's on the sponge and just kind of pat it into my eyelid to give a little bit of a base. It's quick to do, why not? Okay. Cancels out some of the veins and provides a nice smooth base for everything to blend on top.
Yes.
And we are being fast by using this same sponge yet again. We're going straight into a little loose powder. This is the Coty Airspun powder and naturally neutral.
Oh my gosh, I've never done this before. Okay. Did I do it right?
Underneath the eye a little bit heavy, but then kind of patting the powder in. Because not only do we want the makeup to be on our face in a hurry, but we want it to last all the way. And if things look really powdery straight away and you look in the mirror and you're like, oh wow, powder central, do not fear, your skin will warm up to this and it will only look better and better. And then at the end, if you use a good setting spray, you will notice that your skin will look the right amount of natural and dewy. So do not
she kind of went to her forehead too.
Alright, the next step is to bring some color back to the skin because we're pretty much just blanked out, and we are going to apply a little bit of bronzer. I'm going to take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is
once again, do not have that, but I have Hoola Bronzer, which I know is very popular. Hoola by Benefit. She tapped off the excess. I'm really bad at, wow, I can really see the powder in this angle. That looks great. Okay, so she tapped it off. I'm bad at contouring and stuff.
And start back almost like I'm contouring. I'm brontouring. I think that's what people call it. When you're just kind of making both steps.
I messed up. Oh no.
And cruising through these steps really quickly. I am doing quick makeup.
Hold on, girl. Okay. Personally, I don't like contour. I think it just looks like rubbing mud on your face. That's just me. I got this several years ago. I used to wear it, but then I don't know, at some point I was just like, nah. But I'm just doing it for this video because she's doing it and I'm following her. This is the video. This looks terrible. Don't even have to clickbait this. It's a makeup fail. I'm just bad at makeup, y'all. This is just a normal person trying to follow a tutorial and doing awful at it, so no big deal. It's fine. Everything's fine. I'm fine.
This packs a punch, and that's actually what I want for this fast glam. I don't want to spend a lot of time on the product that I'm using.
Okay, she's putting on a highlighter now, so I think she wiped the bake off. So I'm gonna do that. That's my cat. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. My under eyes actually don't look that bad. I mean, it is very much not like my type of makeup look. You know, very full coverage, but it doesn't look bad actually. Becca highlighter in Moonstone. Here, Moonstone.
Seem to show up and look gorgeous. So we're gonna go right on the high points of the cheek and just really add a lot of glow there.
She's putting a lot on.
And if you want to take it to kind of another level, you can go ahead and dampen your brush. I'm going to take a little bit of Infallible setting spray from L'Oreal, go back into the same
way,
and just really hit.
Well, it's a glow, you know, you glowing.
Kind of the center of where we place down that color. go ahead and take that excess on your collarbones, on your shoulders if they are tried hard, but that just took me 3 seconds. Okay, I am gonna create
wait, and her eyebrows are already done. I think she did those before the video. I'm gonna need to do that real quick. Hold on, I just need to put some highlighter in my eyelid. What's next, Tati?
Mascara, and we are going with the Essence mascara. So many of you are tweeting me pictures of this, and you are tweeting in Tati approved or hashtag Tati made me do it, and I love it. When you guys love a product that I have recommended, it just makes me so happy. So keep those tweets coming. I need to find a lash curler. Going in with some mascara.
I'm just using Lash Sensational by Maybelline. This is in the color brown. I meant to get it in black, but you know, it's whatever. Random thing, but I'm actually really glad I picked this tutorial because she doesn't do eyeliner. I don't even own any eyeliners because I never wear eyeliner because I can't do it, and I also think it kind of looks weird on me, so random thought.
Be right back. P.S. I did already do my brows. No, I did not wake up with them done perfectly. I wish that that was my life, but it's not. What I did use...
I knew she already did her brows. Did she put blush on? I need blush.
Effect. Now, what we're going to do from here is, of course, put on a little lip color. If I am not doing a ton with my eye...
Did I miss it? Did she put on blush? I don't think she put blush on. Not quite sure. Okay, she's taking a liquid lipstick and it kind of looks like a mauve-y, like dark pink color. I would say this kind of looks, it might be actually a bit darker than that. Ooh. I feel like it's a combination of these two. So I don't know, let's see what she does.
The Matte Last Liquid Lip in Evening Rose. I love this shade. It is gorgeous. It has a nice kind of diamond shape.
It actually does kind of look like this color.
These are very easy to apply.
I don't know. Oh, it's a bit darker. Okay, that seems close enough. Okay, let's see what she does next.
I'm gonna add the tiniest bit of blush. This is from Milani. This is the powder blush in Tea Rose.
Okay.
It's a little dusty. Trust me, it's a great blush.
Okay. So she's using a different Milani blush, but I also have a Milani blush, but it is not the same as she is using. I have the Milani Baked Blush in the shade Luminoso or 05. So I'm gonna take this, if I can open it. Come on. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. Okay, I got it, yay! Okay, I'm taking this on my blush brush. From Real Techniques. It's like the name's all rubbed off because I've used this so much, so I'm just taking this. Does she just, how does she put it on? Oh, hold up, honey, hold on. She just kind of like swirls it on her cheeks a bit. I don't know. Is that good? I don't know. What's next?
Hard work. And every piece of effort that you put into this fast glam stays looking good all day long. And this is the...
Now I get to do the Beauty Guru spray! Yay! Okay. I just like took a big whiff of it in. My face is quite wet now, so maybe they don't spray that much. I don't know. So I'm just gonna do this and hope that it helps. Oh, let's see what Tati says. Oh, let's see what Tati says.
Completed quick glam look. Now compared to something that would take me 45 minutes to do, I think this is a lot quicker, faster. You're not using a ton of products. And by doing those few shortcuts, you of course save time, but you still end up looking like you did your makeup and you're polished and you're ready for whatever.
Do I look polished?
So
probably not.
If you guys enjoyed this, if you want more drugstore tutorial type videos like this.
So Tati is now done, as am I. I think she definitely did a lot better than I did. But look at that glow though. To be honest, I don't even think, I think I did a pretty decent job. Like, you know, I didn't have the same products as her, but I don't know. It looks better in the camera, I'm gonna tell y'all that much. I'm not that good at makeup, I'm gonna say that now. I did the best I could, so, yeah. Foundation definitely does not match. That's all I've got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more if you haven't already. I'm about to sneeze again. It passed. Until my next video, bye!